Hey my loves, welcome to my channel. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all whoever is celebrating this year. I apologize for not posting this video earlier. I couldn't spare time for this. Now let's jump into the video, and this is going to be a very quick glam makeup look. So first I started with moisturizer, which is a water based moisturizer from MyGlamm, and I started to apply it my face and neck and massaging it very well. Once I am happy with the results, I move to second step, for which I added some illuminating primer from MyGlamm again. I added a very small amount of it and made sure that it is blended nicely to all over face. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe and press the bell notification so that you'll never miss an update whenever I post a new video. For the third step, I am directly jumping into the concealer. I'm not going to use any foundation today because I'm in rush. So I added the concealer to the usual areas like under my eyes, forehead, nose, around my mouth and chin. And to blend my concealer, I will be using my fingers only in dab-in motion. And for the concealer, I have used my all-time favorite Bobbi Brown full coverage concealer. I'm honestly obsessed with this concealer. It provides you full coverage and altogether it's so lightweight. Like no one can recognize that even you are wearing a makeup. So whenever I am doing a day makeup or I'm going out or I'm in rush, I just use this concealer and I'm good to go. For the blush, I am applying Dr. Earth's Purple Blush, which is again my absolute favorite, and it changes the color based on your skin tone and it gives the absolute natural look. After that, I set everything using banana powder from MyGlamm. To apply the powder, I am using a fluffy brush which I am using from Manish. I am applying it to all the areas wherever I had applied the concealer just to set them on place. I wanted a more glam look, so I am using this highlighter plus blush from Swiss Beauty, and this is also my favorite. It gives very natural look. So I'm applying it to my cheeks and nose. Then I'm using a cream contour again from the Swiss Beauty and I'm applying it to my usual areas. I'm not going to do much contour today, but yeah, a little bit of definition I'm giving to my face. So I'm applying it to my cheekbones and nose. I quickly applied a brown eyeshadow to my outer corner and created the crease. Today I'm gonna keep my eye makeup very simple. The eyeshadow palette that I have used is from Maybelline. I have forgotten to show some products while creating the video, but don't worry, I'll be mentioning all the products in the description with their purchase link, so you can check out there. Now I'm using an eyeshadow stick from Kiro to highlight my brow bone and inner corner. For my brows, I am using brow pencil from MyGlamm, and for my brows I always try to keep it as natural as possible. So I am filling only the sparse area, then brush everything and make sure there is no harsh line left. This is a simple trick which I use whenever I have to do a little bit more glam makeup. So I am using a nude pencil just below and above my brow. So what it basically does, it just enhances your brow shape and makes your brows look more defined. Then for eyeliner, I am using a gel eyeliner from Maybelline New York. And today I am creating a winged eyeliner because whenever you are creating a Marathi look, the winged eyeliner is mandatory. Once I am done with my eyeliner, I am going to apply a green eyeshadow to my lower lash line because I am wearing a green sari and I think it will complement it very well. And lastly, I added some pressed glitter to inner corner of my eyes and also around the wings. Jumping to the lips, I used a lip liner from Color Essence. Using this, I outlined and contoured my lips and then used a matte nude lipstick from Colorbar. This lipstick is really good. I had received it in a collaboration with Colorbar. It's matte in texture and altogether it moisturizes the lips as well. So whenever I apply it, I never feel my lips are drying or something. I wanted more shine to my face, so I added a little bit of more highlighter. I always forget to apply mascara, so after the lipstick, I curled my lashes and applied a coat of mascara. The mascara I used in this video is from Colorbar. I applied the mascara to both my upper and lower lashes. I always apply the mascara to my lower lashes because it gives a really great look. Eyes looks opened up. Now to create that moon bindi look, I used a red lip liner and then marked as a moon. Then I used my sindoor and filled in using a lip liner brush. Lastly, I added 3 dots using eyeliner to my chin because I love it. To fix everything on place, I used makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. Now added some jewelry and draped the sari to complete the look. All the products that I have used in this video will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check it. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, do subscribe it, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. So this is the final look that I have created. I hope you enjoyed it. I love you all and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy and stay stylish. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Bye bye.